I think we are really still very compromised by our history of racial inequality. I do think there's a presumption of dangerousness and guilt that gets assigned to black and brown people. It's the reason why there are so many unarmed black men and boys who get shot and killed by the police. It's the reason why there is this disconnect in communities of color. There's no trust, there's no legitimacy with police departments. But I think it's been created by this larger history, this legacy of racial inequality. I think that we've never really owned up to the truth behind our comfort level with this ideology of white supremacy. And so you see it today manifest in many ways. A very small percentage of the lawyers in this country are black or brown. An even smaller percentage of the judges in this country are black or brown. A disproportionately high percentage of the people accused of crimes and arrested and sent to prison are black and brown. And you cannot ignore these racial features. We have counties in this state where no person of color served on a capital trial jury because they are excluded in these discretionary strikes. I've been in a courtroom. I've been practicing law for 30 years. I've been in a courtroom getting ready to do a hearing with my suit on, sitting at defense counsel table there early, and had a judge walk in. This is in the Midwest. Had a judge walk in and looked at me and he said, hey, you get back out there in the hallway and you wait until your lawyer gets here. I don't want any defendant sitting in my courtroom without their lawyer. And I stood up and I said, "Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor, I didn't introduce myself. My name is Bryan Stevenson. I am the lawyer." And the judge started laughing and the prosecutor started laughing, and I made myself laugh because I didn't want to disadvantage my client. The client came in, a young white kid I was representing, and we did the hearing. But afterward I was thinking to myself, what is it that when this judge saw a middle-aged black man sitting in a suit and tie at defense counsel's table, it never occurred to him that that's the lawyer. And what that is this legacy, this narrative of racial difference that we have not confronted.